Cornfield stretch, heart lamp up in blood. Nothing but love, Midwest, we rise above. Tractors and runs, cash crops in the mud. Flip the script, city lights on the cut. Chillin' in the prairies, vibes be so breezy. Cities be poppin', hustling so easy. Deep dish dreams, white cause of cheese freeze. LA in the rear view, stars under these trees. We got nothing but love, Midwest ways. From the lakes to the plains, down the highways. Grain elevators, kissing sky so gray. Midwest thunder, heartbeats in the fray.
City lights, club runs, echoing in the night. Bustling streets stay same, hearts beat like a flame. Brick roads and dreams grind. As I hustle hard we find melody in the air, living life no despair. St. Louis nights, oh, feel the heat it grow. Beat down low, let's flow in the heart of Mo. St. Louis nights, oh, feel the heat grow. Beat down low, let's flow in the heart of Mo.
In the city we roam through the night. Every step, every breath feels so right. Hear the beat of the streets so alive. St. Louis, this love won't divide. From the arch to the parks, feel the glow. Mississippi River flows, watch it go. Every block, every hood, hearts aglow. In St. Louis we rise and we grow. We got nothing but love for this town. St. Louis never let us down. From the east to the west, all around. Feel the love in every sound.
Louis, keep it real. Lo feel we sempre feel. In the streets we make the deal. Fake it is something you feel. Out here we never stop. On the ground we reach the top. Riding through can be a flop. Hands up rhythm, make it pop. Out here in St. Louis, real steppers, we do this for the bass. Feel the beat, move your feet to our heat.